Maurices Credit Card login page. In order to log into Maurices Credit Card, simply open a default web browser in a device. Then search for Maurices Credit Card online login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says Maurices Credit Card Home, and then you'll be taken to the main homepage of the Maurices Credit Card page. Accept all the cookies in the page. In this homepage, you'll find a sign in button on the top right side of the screen. Tap on that sign in button, and in this sign in page, enter your username in the username section. Also enter your password in the password field and make sure to check right on Remember Me checkbox. Tap on sign in button and you'll be finding other options like forgotten your username/password and other links. If for some reason you forgot your password, you can tap on respective links. And in this way, you'll be able to log in to Maurices Credit Card. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.